White's objective here is to kill black. The first move might seem very intuitive. You might want to try this, but this is wrong because black can start a ko this way. Of course, white can capture this ko first as local ko threats here, but now black can throw in here. So of course white can still capture, black finds another ko threat on the outside, black captures back, and white has another ko threat at number 13. So this is a good ko for white, but it's not the correct answer. Right, so eventually, after black finds 3 ko threats on the outside, connecting here is risky because now black can cut here and threatens to capture all these 8 white stones. So now the stakes are high. Although white can just keep playing these local ko threats without having to worry about losing this ko. But now things get really serious after number 21, because now if white doesn't have any ko threats elsewhere on the board, black will win this ko and capture all of white's here. So that's the ko. It's not the correct answer. Usually in this type of situation, when you play here on the first line, there's a ko. Only way to avoid it is to just stand down here, right? If black plays here or here, you don't play this on the first line, you stand down here. Now black cannot enter here, and if black lets you go, there's nothing to play here because white has an extra liberty here. Black cuts, you just capture it, nothing will happen after 1 and 3. So that's why number 1 here is the correct first move. Now let's try a couple other moves by black. So if black tries here, white can simply Atari, kind of reduces black's eye space, and reduce black's eye space again and play this. This is not a seki, because there's only 1 liberty here, and eventually, when black is under Atari, everything on the right side, this liberty will have to be filled. So this will be a bent 3 shape, a dead shape for black. Also note, of course, that this is a fake eye. So black's strongest response is actually this one. Obviously, it's a key point, right? When you play here, white plays here. Or when you play here, white also plays here. So you know E19 right here is a key point. So black might want to try this. So now white needs to be really careful, right? If you block here, then we're back to the ko, right? It's something like this. It also doesn't work. You might think this is a good move. Black won't have an eye here on the 1-1 point, but black can capture first. Now you either have to play this or this, and white will fail either way. This is still the same. This is still going to be the ko that we first saw. What about this? This is actually still going to be a ko. Black can just connect here. Now white can only Atari from behind. It's just that 4 stones are under Atari. There's still going to be a ko. So what should white do? Actually, the correct answer is to cut here. Now, black's only move is this, or this. So they're similar. If black plays at number 4, now white can exhaust black's liberties from the outside. Black can no longer build an eye here at the 1-1 point. So the best black can do is just to capture these 3 stones, this straight 3 pattern, and black will be killed this way. So that's why number 4 will fail. This is similar. White will have to reduce black's eye space here. If black blocks, then white Ataris and captures black from behind. So black cannot enter here, and black cannot connect here. So this is how white succeeds. So this variation 1, 2, and 3 is pretty hard to find. It gets a little tricky because if you're not careful, after black's number 2, you might just go back to the ko that we first saw. So overall, the takeaway is that when you want to avoid the ko, just stand down here instead of playing this move, right, on the first line, giving your opponents the opportunity to do a throw-in, right? If you stand down here, there's no cutting points to throw into. And of course, when black occupies this point, white needs to be really careful not to fall back into the ko by playing here. Hope you enjoyed this little challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.